Good morning, Acre of Love Homestead, everyone. So little Miss Dixie here has went into heat, and I moved Jupiter over here, even though she likes Splash the most. I moved Jupiter over here, and he's already got her twice. But little Miss Trixie is not yet in heat, and he doesn't understand why she don't like him. He's very easy with them. He doesn't seem to run them too much. But Splash over there, he's mad because I won't let him over here. And Nanny, I don't know why she's over here. She jumped the fence and got over here. What are you doing? You crazy? But yep, he already got Miss Dixie twice. And when she's in heat, she's pretty loud. She was making all kind of noise earlier. But I don't want to put her with Splash because I think Splash might be too big, even though he is a Nigerian. Would you got your lips sticking up? Got your lips sticking up? Got my lips sticking out. Jupiter. You gotta go chase him. Tell him, say I love you. And apparently Miss Trixie got hops. So we'll mark this date on the calendar for Miss Dixie. And that should put her right at February of 2025, if she takes today. And these two have never been bred before. They're a year old. They're big enough for him. He's small. It shouldn't be an issue. See, she's flagging. But she likes Mr. Splash. Jupiter, you look so funny. Jupiter. Cheese. She goes straight over to Splash. If I was to let Splash over, she would probably just let him do what he needs to. But I think he's a little too big. Splash is a pretty goat, but like I say, I'm trying to go for more of the mini La Mancha, and she's not a mini La Mancha, she's just a Nigerian. But see, he's pretty big compared to her. Even though in person, you know, he's still a good sized goat. He's a Nigerian, so I just think he's a little too big for them. See, she's over there hollering at him. Dixie, Splash is not your boyfriend. I don't want her to have complications on her first kidding. And I figure at least with this tiny little thing, she won't have that many issues. And stick around, guys. Let y'all know what happens. Miss Trixie up here.